Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So my friend, do you understand English but don't know what to speak in daily life? So don't worry, in this video I will teach you 50 daily use simple sentence that you can use every day at home, at work, with your friend, even almost everywhere. So repeat every sentence after me. So let's start. So first take a morning sentence. Okay, start. Good morning. I just woke up. I am feeling sleepy. It's time to get up. I need to brush my teeth. I'm taking a shower. I'm getting ready. Let's have breakfast. I'm getting late. Have a nice day. At home, I am hungry. I am thirsty. Please open the door. Close the door. Turn on the fan. Turn off the light. Where is my phone? I am cleaning my room. Dinner is ready. Let's watch TV. At work and school. I am on my way. I will be there soon. Please wait a minute. Can you help me? I don't understand. Could you repeat that? That's a great idea. I am busy right now. Let's start. Good job. Talking with friends. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What are you doing? I'm just relaxing. See you later. Take care. Have a great day. So common daily expression. I don't know. No problem. That's okay. Never mind. Of course. You are welcome. I agree with you. I don't think so. It doesn't matter. See you tomorrow. Excellent, my friend. So if you practice these 50 daily use English sentence every day, your confidence will be your confidence will improve and speaking English will become much easier for you. Here is your challenge now. Repeat these 50 English sentence every day for next 5 days. Only 5 days. You will be surprised by your improvement. So if you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and follow my page and also subscribe my channel. And also write in comment, I will speak English every day. So keep practicing and keep growing. See you in next video.